In every generation, a player comes along who does more than just play the game. He defines it. Dr. Khumalo was that player, a midfield maestro, a cultural icon, a symbol of unity. This is the story of the man who made South African football believe again. Theophilus Dr. Khumalo was born on June 26, 1967, in Soweto, a place of struggle and resilience. His father, Elakim Khumalo, was already a footballer, so the love of the game was inherited. But Doctor's path wasn't paved. He trained in the streets against concrete, not grass. Under the shadow of apartheid, opportunities were few. But where the system failed, football gave him freedom. It gave him a dream. In 1987, Dr. Khumalo was made his debut for Kaizer Chiefs, and from day one he was electric, smooth on the ball, elegant in his passing, a thinker, a leader, a creator. Fans called him 16V, not just because he was fast, but because he powered the game like a high-performance engine. Over 400 matches, countless trophies, unmatched flair. He wasn't just a player for Chiefs, he was Chiefs. When apartheid ended and South Africa returned to the world stage in 1992, Dr. Khumalo was chosen to represent the reborn Bafana in the very first match against Cameroon. He stepped up for a penalty, and with one calm clinical strike, he gave South Africa its first international win. But it was more than just a goal, it was history. He became a face of a new era, a nation finally united on the pitch. And in 1996, he helped lead South Africa to its greatest football triumph, winning the African Cup of Nations. That golden team changed everything, and Doctor was at the heart of it all. When he hung up his boots, the story didn't end. Dr. Khumalo became a coach, a mentor, an ambassador. He shared his knowledge with the next generation. And whenever football grew in South Africa, his influence was there. Didn't just leave behind a legacy of goals and trophies. He left behind hope, a belief that no matter where you came from, greatness is possible. Dr. Khumalo was more than a footballer. He was an artist with a ball at his feet, a leader when his country needed him, and a living legend who changed the game forever. So the next time you watch a South African star shine, remember who lead the path first. Dr. 16 Valve Khumalo. If this story inspired you, give us a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button.